Hello, my friends. How are you? So sorry for my English, but I can't write all these subtitles. It's so difficult for me. I try to explain all this journey in English. So, we have here a triptych, a 20 centimeter by 80. I want something minimalistic, something soft and bright. I put the base, titanium white. It's so loud, the music. Okay. I spread it out with a blow dryer. Sorry, I disappeared 1 month, some of 1 month. I just lose my computer and I buy a new one. I torch the bubbles. Can you subscribe if you want, or put the like button or the bell, anything you want if you want. I put it together closer to not lose all these paints, colors. The first color is, I think it's Oxide Black by Amsterdam. I use only 3 colors. Yes, it is. This copper is my mix with many coppers or gold and burnt sienna inside. I don't remember. It's a lot of paint. Many colors. Seems like copper. And Prussian blue, of course. It's my favorite color. And that's all. I put the base around with these colors. And I blow the white, the base, above the colors, just to make them more smoother or softer. It's the same. I think I torch again, yes, for the new bubbles. And warm the colors and go up, pop up. And the show begins. I try to zoom it here, but it's too close now, but it's okay. Isn't it amazing? Sorry for my arm, but I try to do, and you see it, but it's difficult. I saw it to my mother and she say it's two birds and kissing each other. It's amazing what anybody see in acrylic paints and pouring. But I see something else. You tell me what you see if you want in the comments. But now it's the opposite side. I turn it later. Of course I scrape it, like always. I try to fix more soft the edges of the color. I try with my straw. It's from silicone straw to fade out. It works. Oh, this copper is amazing. Sorry for my big head. I hate these two lines. I smooth. I try to make it like I was had it in my mind, you know. And I did it. This is the right side. see an eagle or a hawk to fly. And my mother said two birds kissing. What do you think? I think it's a bird anyway. Something like a bird. That's this art. It's crazy. I try with spatula to make it softer again. With straw, with fingers, with anything you want, you can use it. Just imagination and practical. That's it. My eagle. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think? It's too small? No, I think it's okay. That's it. Thank you very much. You be here and show me a video. See you again in the next video. Bye.